It definitely was an interesting challenge for me to get involved in this project, not only because it's regional in nature, but also just the subject of occupational safety and health. I think is a very important one for this region and for, of course, Macedonia in particular. I think in any strategy, obviously it would be great if you had more time and more money. But I think with the given amounts, with the given resources, I think it's a good strategy. It's strong in the sense that it has areas where countries are working on their own and where they work together. And I think it has a nice snowball effect where the different organizations will build on each other's lessons learned. I thought the importance of the networking for each of the organizations was key. The fact that they will, through the course of this project, not only identify who their stakeholders are, but involve them in the project itself. It's kind of a learning by doing type of project where we don't only talk theoretically about the things we might do together, but we actually begin doing them. The other aspect of the project I think that's critical is the research. Because generally in this region, I would say statistics on any issue are lacking, or they're outdated, or you have only anecdotal stories rather than a big overview. So I think it's exciting to see a project that ends with really an overall view of the situation in the region from an occupational safety and health standpoint, as well as a strategy for what needs to be done to take the next step forward.